What we see now is a medical display in landscape orientation, which supports multiple signal inputs. Currently, it displays in two-split view with dual input. Similar to the portrait model, we may identify the displays. To decide the primary display and arrange the layout of the screens, go to Windows Settings. We may access the user manual from the app. With the slider, we get to adjust the brightness for individual signal input channel. XES offers a wide range of curves for display settings like DICOM, GGO, MM, DSA, DSI, CT, MR, DR, Gamma, etc. In the document mode, the brightness of the two channels may be adjusted respectively. The channel on the left has a brightness of 150 nits. Click on the other channel and the brightness is set to 600 nits. A doctor may read a report and examine an X-ray image with just the right brightness on each channel. An ambient light sensor on the medical display is enabled by default to offer proper brightness in offices, medical image rooms, etc. On a color medical display, we may adjust the color temperature settings by choosing from natural, warm, or cold. The medical display could be set to display single or multiple channels at the same time. 111 refers to two channels on the left and one channel on the right, whereas 222 arranges one channel on the left and the other two channels on the right. Up to 4 channels could be displayed on the screen in full split view. We may choose the input source from the application for each channel. To check DICOM compliance, select the DICOM curve and view DICOM status in the DICOM calibration. We may calibrate the display again when needed. Grayscale settings may toggle between color and grayscale options in the channel where the mouse cursor is pointing at, like on the left side of the screen. We can set grayscale for each screen respectively. Lightbox mode allows the screen to turn into a lightbox for medical image examining. We may set the entire screen into a lightbox or set left or right side of the screen into a lightbox while keeping the signal input on the other side by inserting a film on one side of the screen. Or insert the film in the middle to turn the entire screen into a lightbox. High brightness mode offers an instant way of boosting the brightness. We may enter the mode from the XES application or the floating bar on the medical display. Spotlight helps highlight part of the screen to emphasize key information. We may adjust the size of the spotlight. Spotlight works in either of the channels. To open it, click on the floating bar in each of the channels. Fatigue notification will remind the doctor while using the medical display for too long time.